Okay, here is how we made $2,228 across 5 accounts, getting about $500 for 150 on each one, so about one R, putting us to 51k rather than 50.5. Makes any difference to you? These are our executions. Obviously, I should have held. Oh my god! I'll tell you in a minute. Okay. I think I chart on NQ, so it's a bit easy for me. Okay, coming to the day, bullish, all-time highs above. Just rejecting these lows. When we have these lows that we're not taking, that just stacking and stacking and stacking, we'll never catch that move. I just kind of come into realization that we're just coming to the order block, come to the low, not taking the low, come to the low, not taking the low. So I'm just bullish. And before we come into the day, we had a big bullish S&T with ES. ES came into this 1 hour here, pre-market. However, we did not on NQ. And what happened was, this is market open here. We just come down. I'm thinking, ugh, I want to take a long. And we had 2 hourly gaps. We had the one here and then the first presented hourly here. ES at this point, this is ES's market open. We just, oh no, it's not. This is. We just flush up. We flush up. We have weird movement. It's still moving weird. It's moving weird all day. I don't know what like these wicks are. One NQ, I was bullish. We then come down to this 1 hour, and we, at the whole time, we're getting a high time frame S&T. Okay, on ES we have not swept this low, and we're just getting more and more S&T. I don't really like high time frames, so I always try to look for a low time frame. And luckily, we whipped into this first presented 1 hour, which is a great, like bouncing point for price. And we come up, we get a 30-second inversion. Here, I wanted more confirmation. Okay, I wanted more confirmation that we're going to come up, just because I was kind of unsure because ES wasn't really in a spot of distribution. ES at this is the low on NQ. Okay, at the same time, we weren't really in a spot of distribution from anywhere that I saw, except for potentially like this inverse fair value gap. Like there was nothing really that stood out. Usually, except for we did have like a 5-minute breaker block here. We broke structures to the upside, and then we get our breaker block here that we usually come into and come out. So I was thinking that in the back of my mind, because usually both indices have to have some sort of narrative for being bullish, which we kind of do down here anyway. And the strength of the S&T just outplayed everything. Okay, massive high time frame S&T. Looks like I could have profited a lot more from this trade. Oh well. Okay. Then we get a lovely 30-second inversion, as I said, and I'm waiting for a CISD. This is a CISD, change to state delivery, but it's just extra confirmation that we are bullish. This is a mechanical model, if you know what that is, where we've targeted a 5-minute. Okay, once it's come into the 5-minute, I've gone break even because it could be a point where we go back towards our stop loss, but you never know. So that's why I went break even there. It's called a mech model when you do that, targeting on field 5 minutes and 15, or yeah, any internal liquidity. And once it starts coming up here, we're not reversing immediately. I had my 1-to-1 here, but why you see 2 sell stops or me getting out twice is because I took partials at 1-to-1, as I would do back testing. And in back testing here, I would literally have put my, because we're distributing so fast, we don't care about this 5-minute whatsoever. I have moved temporarily my stop all the way, or my take profit all the way up here, and then I just got scared. I don't know what came over me. It's my first time with like 500s, and I was like, even though I took 60% out, which was like $300, I just didn't want to. I didn't want to lose. I don't know. It was weird. I had my stops to break even, like there was no risk, and on back testing, I probably would have held this because there's no actual money involved. And that's just psychology, isn't it? So I just like exited myself from the trade at 1 to 1. I just got a bit scared. Literally, this candle here that went down, I got scared. I was like, ooh. But there's something to work on because this would have been 1 to 2.24.42, which would have been a lot of money. Yeah, what's 200? 1.2, 400, 500, 300. Probably would have been like $800 across all the accounts, which is annoying, but it's what it is. Still won today. First win of the week, first trade of the week. And yeah, we're coasting. Coasting. But yeah, that is me done. I didn't trade at all the back end of last week because I had so much uni stuff going on. There were so many celebrations and like, I don't know, end of year stuff to do. That's me done. Done now. I've got nothing left. Probably go pub tonight, but apart from that, I'm now a trader, babe. Oh my goodness. Could have taken this up to all-time highs. Are you kidding me? I should have done that. No, I didn't. Oh well, that's it from me.